Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make the best vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. That's perfect for frosting cakes and cupcakes, and it's light and fluffy and not too sweet. We'll need 1 cup of egg whites, so gently separate the yolks. I like to use the shells to isolate the yolks like this. You can save the extra yolks to make creme brulee, lemon curd, or pastry cream. Add the cup of egg whites to a mixing bowl, add 12 ounces of sugar and roughly mix to combine. Place the mixing bowl onto a double boiler to pasteurize the egg whites and stir the liquid until the temperature reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a stand mixer, whisk until stiff peaks form. At this point, we'll have meringue that looks like this. Measure 21 ounces of softened room temperature butter. You can check if the butter is ready by pressing it with a spatula. See how nice and soft this looks? Add about a tablespoon of butter at a time to the mixer that's running on low. Let the mixer run on medium for about 5 minutes. The mixture will first look strange and lumpy, almost like cottage cheese. Don't freak out, this is exactly what we're going for. Run the mixer on high speed until the buttercream comes together. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and continue mixing. And voila! You're left with this fluffy, light, delicious cloud of buttercream. It's so good and essential for making bakery quality cakes. I hope you try this recipe at home, and I'm looking forward to showing you how to use this cream for frosting and decorating cakes. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and hit the subscribe button for more recipes and cake tutorials. Thanks, and see you soon. Bye!